Hi students, welcome back. So today we are going to do some expressing emotions and courtesy vocabulary. Being able to express your emotions and reactions can make your interaction more genuine and heartfelt. Here are some Urdu words and phrases to help you express how you feel. So, Khush Ahmed. Our first word is happiness, which means khushi in Urdu language. You can say मुझे खुशी हुई to express I am happy. Whenever someone tell you some good news, you can express yourself by saying मुझे खुशी हुई. Here, मुझे खुशी हुई means I am happy. So, happiness is खुशी. खुशी. Yes, very good. Sadness. For sadness, we use this word afsos. This means regret. You can say मुझे अफसोस है or I regret to show that you regret in something. मुझे अफसोस है. We usually say this sentence in the funerals or if someone tell us about the bad news. So we reply to them मुझे अफसोस है. Afsos. Like you can split this word in two parts. Afsos. Very good. Wah. Wah. It's same as wow. It's like wah. Yes, very good. Now, this is an exclamation that means wow. It's a great way to show admiration or amazement. It's like wah. Yes. Now, let's practice. You have 5 seconds to guess all of them. I hope that you got all right. Happiness, खुशी, wow, वाह. I regret, मुझे अफसोस हुआ. I am happy, मुझे खुशी हुई. If someone tell you a good news, you can also express it like this. वाह, मुझे खुशी हुई. Very good. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Now, as we know that शुक्रिया is for thank you. But बहुत here shows exaggeration. Like very thank you or so much thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Very good. माफ कीजिएगा. I am sorry. माफ कीजिएगा. Now, here, this means excuse me or I am sorry. It's a polite way to get someone's attention or apologize. माफ कीजिएगा. Maaf here is used for the word sorry. Sometimes we also say maafi for sorry. If we have to say sorry to someone, we can also say maafi. But kijiyega shows that you are showing them some respect. Maaf kijiyega. You can split this word in three ways. Maaf kijiyega. Very good. No problem. कोई मसला नहीं. कोई मसला नहीं. Problem is for masla. Nahi shows for no. So कोई मसला नहीं. There is no problem. कोई shows there is no problem. Very good. कोई मसला नहीं. It's all right. सब ठीक है. सब ठीक है. सब ठीक है means everything is fine. But to specify it in one sentence, we say it सब ठीक है. It's all right. सब ठीक है. Very good. Now, don't worry. फिकर ना करें. फिकर ना करें. Fikr is the word for worry. Don't is for na. Fikr na kare. Kare is like a helping verb. And kare is like you are showing respect to someone. Fikr na kare. वेरी गुड. फिक्र ना करें. It's not करें, it's करें. A little N sound. फिक्र ना करें. Now practice it. I hope that you got all words right. So no problem is कोई मसला नहीं. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Don't worry. फिक्र ना करें. I'm sorry. माफ कीजिएगा. Yes, very good. Now let's do another sentences. Take care. ख्याल रखना. ख्याल रखना. Khayal word is used as care. So here for take we say rakhna. Khayal rakhna. Khayal rakhna. Very good. Let's meet tomorrow. Kal milenge. Now here kal shows tomorrow. Kal is a word for tomorrow. Meet is the word for milenge. Now you can see that I'm not saying milenge. I'm saying milenge. I'm not putting the pressure on the N. I'm just giving a little sound of N. Kal milenge. Very good. Yes. Huh. Yes. Huh. Like if someone asks you something and you have to reply yes, you will say huh. Just one word. If you have to reply no, you will say nahi. Nahi. Very good. Now, bye. As I told you guys in the previous lecture that for goodbye we use this word like Muslims use this word Allah Hafiz. But if you don't want to use Allah Hafiz, you can also use Alvida. Alvida. We don't usually or casually use this word, but if you are not comfortable with Allah Hafiz, you can say Alvida. Or you can also say bye. People will get what you want to say. Alvida. Now, for please. This means kindness or favor. You can use it to say please or thank you for your kindness. And the word is badai meher ban. Badai meher ban. You can split this whole word in three words. Badai meher ban. Yeah. Badai meher bani. Very good. Be careful. Khayal se. Here you can see that we are ending this word with se, not khayal rakhna. Rakhna was for take. Be careful is khayal se. Khayal se. Very good. Thank you. As you all know, it's shukriya. Shukriya. Now practice it. You have 10 seconds. If you got all right, then there's a big star for you. Now, be careful, khayal se. Take care, khayal rakhna. I don't want you guys to mix these two up. No, nahi. Let's meet tomorrow. Kal milenge. Not kal milenge. Kal milenge. Please, बराए मेहरबानी. Yes, हाँ, thank you, शुक्रिया. It's all right. सब ठीक है. Now, I'm going to give you the proper review of the vocabulary we have done today. Happiness, खुशी. I am happy. मुझे खुशी हुई. Sadness, अफसोस. I am sorry or I feel sad. मुझे अफसोस हुआ. Wow, वाह, वाह. मुझे खुशी हुई. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Very very thank you or thank you so much. It's बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया for that. Now, कोई मसला नहीं. It is used for नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई मसला नहीं. इट्स ऑल राइट, सब ठीक है. सब ठीक है. एवरीथिंग इज ओके, एवरीथिंग इज ऑल राइट, सब ठीक है. बाय, अलविदा. और यू कैन ऑल्सो से अल्लाह हाफिज. योर चॉइस. आई एम सॉरी, माफ कीजिएगा. माफ कीजिएगा. डोंट वरी, फिक्र ना करें. फिक्र ना करें. ओके, नाउ ख्याल रखना. इट वॉज फॉर टेक केयर. ख्याल रखना. बी केयरफुल, ख्याल से. टेक केयर, ख्याल रखना. Yeah, I hope that you understand the difference between both of these words. Let's meet tomorrow. कल मिलेंगे. कल मिलेंगे. Yes, हाँ, no, नहीं. Please, बराए मेहरबानी. बराए मेहरबानी. Be careful. ख्याल से. I'm repeating this word again and again so you guys know that difference between ख्याल से और ख्याल रखना. And thank you, as you all know, it's shukriya. I hope that you liked today's lecture, and inshallah we'll meet in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.